Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you how to share the invite link. First of all, sign in Radar Media account. You are in home. Now go to my file and then three team. Link is copied. So now you go to any social media platform where you want to share the link. I share to my friend. After sharing the link, you need to click on link to open. You will go to the Radar Media platform, Radar Media website. Then you can join Radar network. Website is open. You can enter your number or email, then password, then registered account to open for sign in. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.